Meaning of disparagingly.
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 Disparagingly. The term disparagingly refers to a manner in which something is expressed or spoken about in a negative or derogatory way. When someone speaks disparagingly about something, they are expressing disapproval or criticism in a disrespectful or contemptuous manner. This might involve making belittling remarks, using sarcastic language, or expressing scornful attitudes. The result of speaking disparagingly about something can be hurtful, damaging, and can lead to the degradation of an individual's reputation or self-esteem. It can also create a negative environment that inhibits growth and progress.